Proton Waja. Okay, install Senpai QLED screen resolution 720p. So 10-inch 2 RAM 32 TS18 hardware. So 8 core processor. Okay. Function, so lagi install Cogoo CG AHD camera. AHD. Okay. So steering control original boleh pakai balik, tapi dia cover so lost lah. Boleh tekan punya wiring pun okey. Sini pun boleh tekan. Next. Okay. So sini pun sudah losak. Ada GPS dan USB SIM card slot kat dalamnya. Okay. So music, tekan radio. Okay. Lagi yang navigation ways. Boleh connected. Okay, yang Bluetooth connect, phone call, phone music can play. Okay, and the names and the pin passport. Okay, and the music can support USB, MP3, WAV, FLACB files.
Is it a New Year's Eve celebration in Kazakhstan?
Yeah. Okay. What's going on? Music can clear. And the equalizer DSP 48 punya brand light. So cross point alignment pun sudah okey. Lagi yang this one yang CarPlay, Android Auto pun ada. Kena connected Bluetooth, connected wireless. Okay. And the YouTube. Sekarang yang light susah sikit. Okay. And the radio. MP4 open. Handbrake tak ada kacau. Tarik pun boleh nampak. Okay. And Play Store sign log in your account, Gmail, can download your apps. Okay. It's the normal function. Can change to wallpaper 4 lah. Okay. Sistem biasa saja. 6TV mic pun ada. Okay. Yang satu function, kalau sudah buka itu file system, saya tekan YouTube lama, tarik ke tepi, pitch screen function can support. This is the no problem. Okay. Open. It's connected. Pitch screen and the YouTube's here. Okay. Off. Tarik. Okay. 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 Install by one piece. Thank you.